What's going on, Pew Militia? Today we've got a Pete's Pirate Knife exclusive custom knife. This is the first folder. You know they came out with a fixed blade earlier. Let's get to unboxing this thing. I mean, just the packaging is always stellar on these things. I mean, it's a hard box. Looks like it slides out the bottom here. Ooh, whoa. It's magnetized. That's nice. Let's open this thing up. All right. Right off, you get a Pete's Pirate Knife sticker. Awesome. Looks like a little Ranger eye, all blacked out. Nice. Microfiber cloth. If I can get it out of there. Keep it nice and clean. All right, let's look at this thing. It's a black stonewash titanium scales. It's a frame lock titanium, deep carry pocket clip, reversible to either side. Very nice. Lanyard hole, could do without that, but let's check the action. Oh yeah, that thing is snappy. Look at that Pete's Pirate Life right there. Come to the bottom. Oh, there it is. S35V in steel. Man, this thing just, the aesthetics is spectacular. That thing, let's see if it'll drop a shot. Oh. Yeah, after a couple openings, I think it's gonna be a finger guillotine. It's just so smooth. Man. Good job, guys. Till next time, Pew Militia.